Hello guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to turn off two-factor authentication in Facebook. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to access our Facebook account. So go ahead and open up the Facebook app here, and from here we need to access our profile. So the top right of your screen, go ahead and click on your profile icon. And from here, what we need to do is we need to scroll down a bit here, look for settings and privacy, and click on settings. Now under settings, what we need to do is we need to access account or meta account center here. So go ahead and click on see more in account center. From here, scroll down a bit here, look for password and security, and click on it. Now from here, choose the option that says two-factor authentication, and under two-factor authentication, choose the account that you want to edit. And here, what we need to do next is we need to choose the two-factor authentication that you want to change or disable. Now, for example, if you connected a authentication app here, go ahead and click on authentication app. And from here, it might ask you to re-log in or just verify yourself. But in this case, once you've done that, you should be able to see this UI here. In this case, if you want to disable this one, just click on the authentication app section. Make sure that it's actually disabled. And in this case, it's going to ask you if you really want to. In this case, just click on turn off to turn that off. And once you've done that, it should actually automatically turn off the authentication or two-factor authentication. In this case, you can go and just go back here, and from here on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.